A new oil and gas plant in Kuwait was set to go live until a competitor's seal failed during commissioning. The problem? Thick lube oil clogged the springs and jammed the rotary face. The supplier's solution? You'll have to wait 12 weeks for a replacement. 3 months of unplanned downtime wasn't an option. That's when AESSEAL stepped in. We delivered a CAPI Type A single seal in just 4 weeks, saving the customer 8 full weeks of costly delay. Engineered with a robust face drive and stationary design, the CAPI A thrives in high-viscosity environments with no jamming and no compromise. The result? 2 seals installed in February 2022 are still running strong over 3 years later. No delays, no failures, just proven performance. When every week counts, choose a partner that delivers. Trust AESSEAL, where reliability meets urgency.